Come and cook with Nene the Chef. Let's learn fun recipes and fall in love with cooking.
Hi, Nene!
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
Today we have a special friend that come to visit our kitchen. We have
Mom.
two rabbits and one monkey, and they come to learn how to cook today. But what are you doing right now, Nene? Are you doing music? Kitchen instrument music? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, Nene. We are going to cook today a special cookies because Nene wants to give thanks to a good friend of the taekwondo, and he's going to make the cookies that he loves. No? Your friend loves that cookies. So, Nene, we are going to start, but first thing we need to do is wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Okay, Nene?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay, next step is turn on the oven. But remember, kids, you cannot turn the oven. You need to ask for an adult to turn on the oven. Yeah? Because if not, you can get burned, Nene. Yes. You can ask for home.
Una papa, una mama, papa.
Dad or mom. Yes?
Una papa, una
Okay.
mama.
So, the oven need to be at 350. And we need to turn on the oven before. Do you know why? Because the oven need to preheat before we put the cookies in
Una
there.
day, mommy,
Okay?
no, mama.
Yeah, one time we didn't know.
No,
Do it.
no.
No. Okay, guys, we are going to start. And we need for this recipe orange. No.
No, yeah.
I can remember. We need popcorn. No? No? We need for this recipe lettuce. No? Uh-oh. Okay, I remember. We need for this recipe melting oil. No? No? Uh-oh. Okay, let's start. We need melting butter. What is the melting butter? Okay. We need flour. We need oats, sugar, cornflakes, 1 egg, baking soda, baking powder, and vanilla. But Nene, this recipe is a little bit the same of the recipe that we made last week. But last week we put different kind of sugar and different kind of flour and different kinds of cornflakes. Yes?
No.
This time we are going to put normal sugar, normal flour, and cornflakes. Yes?
No,
Yes?
Yeah.
So it's a little bit the same but different ingredients.
I hate
You can try. The other one is a little bit more healthy, and this one is more yummy. Okay? We can start putting in here the melting butter. Nene? No, it's not hot. Hold it with your 2 hands. Nene, with your 2 hands. Next step. 1 cup of sugar in the melting butter. Sugar in the melting butter. What is the 1 cup? Yes. More. It's 1 cup and you don't feel it. So you need to put all the sugar. Yes, 1 cup. All the sugar. All. Good job. And right now you are going to mix the sugar with the butter until the sugar disappears in the butter.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah,
And then let's take the egg, okay? Put it here. And then you are going to mix again.
Oh.
No, never put this
No.
inside. Then you are going to eat like crunchy things and it's the... No.
No.
So mix everything together. Nene.
Yo.
Oh, mix
I ate it.
the vanilla. What is the vanilla? But not too much, Nene,
No.
okay?
Mama.
Just a little bit.
Back now. Don't back ya, Mama. Back yo.
Yellow, yes.
No, back, Mama. Back yo.
Oh, that's yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, mix everything together.
Back yo.
This is an easy recipe that everyone can do, and it tastes yummy. When we go to a house of friends or we need to give a gift for someone, we always give these cookies and everyone loves it. Yeah, everyone loves it. You need 1 cup of flour. Good job, Nene. And yes, then no, don't mix it. First, you need to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon is the big one or the small one? Teaspoon is the bigger or the small one? This is 1 tablespoon and this is 1 teaspoon, the small one. Remember, 1 teaspoon. No. 1 teaspoon. Everything? Yes. Then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, I am going to put here your spoon. Don't move. No, if you move. We need salt. What is the salt? You are going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Good job, Nene. And next step, you are going to mix everything. Mix. Faster, 1,000. More, 2,000. Good job, Nene. Good, Nene. Good job, Nene. Then you are going to put the oat. Okay, what is the oat? 1 cup of oat. Good, Nene. Good, Nene. Next step, I am going to put here some corn flakes, okay? And you are going to put a cup of corn flakes. Cup of corn flakes here. Good, Nene. And mix everything together. Mix. Okay, Nene, it's all ready. We are going to put this cookie dough in a cooking pan, okay? But if we put here the cookies are going to stick here, yes? So we need a paper that we use for that. And this paper is going to help the cookies not to stick, okay? Step, you are going to put the dough in a spoon, okay? And you are going to do it like this. But the cookies need to be separate because they grow a lot. Here. No, separate.
Mama.
separate.
Only time I'm in the happy seat in the hangout when the mip on the pay, Mama.
Yes, we made one big for a kind birthday. Yes.
Yeah.
Good job, Nene. One more, Nene. Here. Here. You have all the cookies here. And what's the next step, Nene?
Oh, no.
Put inside the oven. But you cannot go to the oven alone. You need to have the supervision of adults. Yes. Okay. We're going to use. Okay. Yes, friends. Okay.
Yes.
You can open the oven. And we are going to put the cookies inside the oven for 15 minutes. Nene. 15 minutes. So, right now we are going to clean up. What? Yeah, what happened here? It's a mess, Nene. It's a mess. So, clean up. It's here.
No.
Clean up.
No, yeah.
What?
Yeah, no.
Yucky. Clean up. Do you know something? This monkey was bigger than you when you born. Yeah. You were small than this monkey.
I see, Mama. I see.
Do you remember that or not?
No.
This was your first monkey, and it was bigger. And look right now. It's small for you now. Clean up.
Look, okay, Mama.
While we wait, do you want to play outside with your water slide? Yes? Let's go! Okay, while we wait, Nene is going to play with his water slide. Come here, Nene. Okay, Nene, ready? Nene, we just come back from outside and we have a lot of fun with the water slide, no? Yeah. We changed everything. But did you have fun?
Huh?
Yeah, it was funny because today is a warm day. Yes? And the cookies are ready. But what we do is we took out the cookies from the oven and they rest. Wait a second. And they rest in the cookies pan like for 15 minutes. And then we put it in it's like a pan for cold the cookies for more minutes. And right now the cookies are ready. Okay? Then you can try one cookie. The small one. You can try one cookie and tell the kids if it's yummy. It's yummy. Guys, you can try the cookies. You can do it at home with your mom, with your dad, with all your brothers and sisters. These are yummy cookies and easy. Nene knows the recipe very well. Yes? So, Nene, hopefully the kids like your video. Invite the kids to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends.
Thank you for watching.